Welcome to the Accelerate Sensors Development with MEMS Studio Software Platform workshop. We will cover the following topics in today's training. Module 1 will go over the hardware and software requirements needed to successfully complete the training workshop. Module 2 will give a brief overview of the components and features of the Nucleo hardware platform. In Module 3, we will provide an overview of MEMS Studio, set up the hardware, and go over some basic data visualization features. Module 4 will utilize the data capture capabilities of MEMS Studio to gather and then analyze various MEMS sensor motion states. MEMS Studio has integrated machine learning models and powerful automated filter and feature selection to help simplify the MLC creation process. We will show this process in Module 5. In Module 6, we will create a weather station application using Algobuilder, the graphical no-code design tool integrated in MEMS Studio. Module 7 will show you how to use our advanced motion libraries in Algobuilder to evaluate a real-world sensor fusion use case. Finally, in Module 8, we will design a roll and pitch angle application using the Intelligent Sensor Processing Unit, or ISPU. Let's get started.